How to make an origami bird like the professor in Money Heist. Prelude. Obtain or make squared paper. To do this, get some A4 paper and place it down horizontally. Next, take any of the top corners and bring them down so the side which was originally vertical lines up with the horizontal bottom. Remove the outlying rectangle on the side. Unfold and you now have your squared paper. Step 1. Fold in both diagonal corners and then both vertically and horizontally through the middle. Step 2. Fold every corner into the middle, then unfold one of the corners and fold it back upon itself so that it is folded onto the reverse side of all the other corners. Step 3. On the side with 3 folds, fold all corners into the middle once again. Step 4. Flip over the paper to reveal the side with the flap. Making sure the flap is at the top, fold diagonally upwards, creating a triangle shape. Step 5. Point the triangle towards the floor, then open and pull out the 2 parts across the fold you just created. Step 6. Rotate the paper so the point of the triangle is pointing to the top, away from you. Then fold down from the top corner, ensuring the flap is still at the top, making a thick spaceship shape. Step 7. Lift the flap and fold vertically down the middle. Step 8. With the flap pointing down, open again and pull out the one remaining part. And with that, you are done.